Alright, I managed to get a wrap on my battery. It's a 4 amp hour battery. All my battery, I'm going to test today to see how far I can go. I got new handlebars. Put on little mountain bike handlebars, I guess you call them. So we'll see. They should give me more comfort. Get this amp going. No, just ride, man. Don't think about it. Let's see.
I don't know if I'm gonna like this here or not. Do you have to change batteries yet?
No. Damn it. make sure the settings are.
Come on, man.
He said once you. Alright. I have no idea where that ends, so we can just keep going back and forth. You ready?
Did you plug the bikes in after last time?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Why? What's your say?
I just was wondering.
You got 4 bars?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's hard to see it. Throttle go away, and it's showing. So when I let up on the throttle, it goes up to 3 bars. Miles an hour. Butt is a little bit sore. Should ask her how her butt feels. .4 miles, and I've got 3 bars. I'll wait for her for a minute.
it's her this time.
We went a distance of 3.4 miles.
I figured you could go anywhere.
Thinking about it. Can you handle one more run?
Not me, but you can go. Hands are aching.
Well,
More confidence. Give me the car keys.
I'm going to go one more time,
Okay.
see how far this battery goes.
Oh, I think.
Sure you don't want to go one more? How's the seat working out?
I like it. I think I'm going to have to do it one more time with the seat to see if I really like it.
Your hands bothering you? You
My
can't,
hands are bothering
can't go anymore, huh?
me. No. Hey.
All right. Okay, we're gonna stretch this distance out. Half down. Over and around here. See how far this 4 amp hour battery has. Down 2 bars. Over all the way down. 2 bars. And wait. Stop it. Stop it. So just put it down. Battery's working. It's chugging along. Now, when I let off on the gas or throttle, I need to move this up a little bit more. Tilt it up a little bit. So I'm averaging speed. I'm at 5 miles on a 4 amp hour battery. 6.5 miles. This is all mostly flat, some incline. Back.
The seat does have a little bit of a spring to it. I'll notice that flexion arms going over these little bumps. That doesn't touch again. Alright. Well, here's showing one bar. I might throttle all the way. See if I can get a mile on this. Get halfway. So I'm going to throttle. Speed's going down. Struggling to go up the small little inclines. So I can take it back and bars going. See, when I let go of the throttle, it gives me 2 bars. So it starts to slow down. Stop. It starts to slow down. Time to stop. So I'm not going to take it to drink completely during the battery. 6.1 miles.
So I'm going to turn this off. Alright, now I'm putting it on the main bow. So we got 6.1 miles on 4 amp hour battery.
Yeah. My first battery should be different. It's going 15, 16 miles an hour. That's quite speed battery. 16 miles an hour. Definitely makes a difference.
I have been trying to get the handlebars out for a while here. They don't get that long. And this like this.
There, I'll push them forward, backwards.
Oh my God! I thought I had to lift them out.
Well, it got going real slow until like 6 miles, and then at 6 miles I just put it on, change the battery. So 6.1 miles on a 4 amp hour battery. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I thought it would only get maybe 2 or 3 miles on it, but proved me wrong.
Yeah, mine didn't seem to be going as fast. Maybe I'm getting used to it. I'm hoping.
Well, because I got your speed cut down to.
So when you put it in, do you put it with the handlebars up or down?
I take the handlebars down and